Right now I'm just putting tinning butter on all the metal and seams and getting all of it acid etched and cleaned. It's all been rubbed, cleaned, acid washed, and then cleaned with lacquer and rubbed down really good before I started. And I'm doing all my tinning butters and getting all my areas attached. And then I'll clean it and neutralize everything and start doing my leading. Way down the last little bit, really, just going over some spots. This is kind of like an adhesion promoter. It cleans, it puts a binding surface etched into the metal for your lead to all adhere to it. Kind of like putting primer. Same way you do plumbing or metal or anything else. Kind of like your etch for everything else to absorb to. I'm just going back and hitting spots again, making sure I got extra. Got a glove on with enough of it in it. It might look like a lot, but it's better to put a little extra on and be able to carve it off than have it go back. Try not to drop it on your hand. Putting a little extra on, gonna fan it down underneath to the bottom edge. It's just gonna give me a little extra to work with real quick. This gravity takes a little bit from me. So you gotta fuck with gravity a little bit. Sorry, my hand's not working right all the time because of my neck. I feel like taping the thing to my hand at times. Oh man. Trying to fill in little voids. We don't have any air pockets now. I should have about an 1/8 to 1/4 inch extra after filing and everything build up. So I'll be able to file it. It files away real quick. And that way I got plenty of build up when I go to sand. cutting this corner pretty good. I'm gonna come over to here. I got pretty good build up. A little lumpy, but it's pretty good build up. I'm gonna come into here. You might want to come around if you're gonna video me. Right now, I'm just trying to get a real good etch of lead right into the corner. Already got real good build up, and I'm going to build this whole corner up. That way I got plenty of extra here to file off when I put the skin back on the door. Set the door back in place again. The door's been on and off. Just set it and check some measurements in the hole, and I'm going to make a good extra build up. I'm going to make it nice and plenty to file away and have a good bit to work with. Once you get a good cut line on the metal and all your tinning butter rubbed in real good, I just go down. It's a matter of just putting the lead in place so you can heat it up and work it into different areas and move it around. Right now it's just getting some buildup in place. You just paddle it, move it around. Alright, I'm doing in the door corner right now where the door will be. And the original has a good bit of lead down the seam. And lead, the good thing in lead, not like body putty at all. A lot of people think you can do whatever with body putty. It's not true. Body putty is only supposed to be very thin, very skin. Now lead, on the other hand, you can build lead up pretty thick. You take your time, you work the lead in, you melt it, you get it really nice. You can compress it, pan it out. It comes out very nice. It is an extra skill or an art and time. But if you're decent at it, well worth doing. For the long term and the durability of a vehicle done to this degree, it's really worth doing. Got to get her just to that temperature where she starts absorbing it. Put a little thin layer to her, rub her around, start doing some build-up. Remember to keep your metal that you're applying it to still a decent heat. So it melts in and bites in, it's not just all being abrased on top. Because if you do it all on top, when you reheat, you'll get a pocket between it. You gotta work it and work it. Yes, every once in a while you burn your finger. This is gonna be thin. I'm gonna put on a good bit of layer, but by the time I spoon it all out across it, comes out pretty thin. And then gravity does play. I do drip a good bit on a panel like this. Up. Getting ahead of myself. I use an old pair of jeans. Put your tally oil on, keep it from not sticking to your wood. Imagine you can use anything. Old piece of fucking cotton cloth. I like cotton. All that across the bottom will get filed. It's just leaving a lip for me to hang it on. I'm about done. Looks a little rough, but once you file it, go right through all the lows and highs. I'm gonna build a little more right through there, in this area. This is real good through here, all the top. This still looks a little low. Let it cool a second and let me add a little more in there. I'll show you once we clean it up and look at it later.